Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by obtaining zinc legally and safely. Order a small ingot or pick up galvanized sheet metal from a hardware store. Once done, confirm the purity listed by the seller and choose the physical form that fits your project: sheet for cutting, ingot for melting, strips for small parts. Make sure to wear nitrile gloves and eye protection while handling. Ventilation is important if you plan to cut or heat the metal. Keep a clean, well-lit workspace and basic metalworking tools at hand. Once you have the zinc piece, measure and mark your cuts precisely and clamp the work securely. Use hand tools like a hacksaw or tin snips for thin sheet. An angle grinder or cut-off wheel works for thicker pieces, but requires extra PPE. Make controlled, short passes rather than forcing the tool. After cutting, deburr with a file and clean the surface with a mild degreaser to remove oils. This improves soldering or adhesive bonding. Remember, zinc is soft. Work gently to avoid warping or tearing. To finish, join parts using zinc-compatible solder or mechanical fasteners like rivets. Avoid strong acids or improvised chemical extractions. Once joined, apply a zinc primer or clear lacquer to slow surface oxidation if the piece will be exposed. If you encounter warping, anneal gently by heating evenly to a dull red, then cooling slowly, or switch to thinner stock to reshape. If cracking appears, file back to sound metal and use mechanical joining instead. Pause and reassess with safety gear before repeating any risky action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.